Lymphedema pump. This is the connection. Once you connect it, it comes with a notch. So you have to make sure it goes directly into the notch. Now the connection is complete. It depicts with an arrow above how to put it in. Below this, it comes with a filter where you have to unscrew this screw, take the screw out of it, and then you can put on the filter. You have to take out the screw, put this filter, and then use it. These are 4 chambered lymphedema sleeve. 1, 2, 3, 4. It comes in a pair for leg. It comes a single sleeve for hand and one for abdomen. These are the modes depicted in the lymphedema pump. This is a very easy to use lymphedema pump. This is all touchscreen controls. Once you turn it on, pressing the button, you can select the part at which you want to give therapy. For example, you want to give therapy only at the calf, so you can unselect 3 and 4. Only 1 and 2 are selected now. Here you can select the pressure from 32 to 40 mmHg. You can reduce the pressure by selecting, for example, now 30 mm is 30 plus 30, 60 mm is set. You can select the modes hereby and the time for therapy which you want to provide. For example, 10 minutes, 20 minutes or 30 minutes. Similarly, for modes A, B and C. A, B and C modes are depicted in the manual. Please go through it to understand. One works one after the other. The other one takes all the nodes collectively, and the third one takes nodes alternatively. So once you go through the manual, you will be able to understand the modes. Now once we turn the play button, it will start in the A mode. You inflate the foot and the calf one after the other. Both the calf are being inflated to a level of 60 mmHg. Pressure is released from foot and now calf is being inflated. Now once for chamber 3, both the calf are being inflated to a level of 60 mmHg. Pressure is released from foot and now calf is being inflated. Now once for chamber 3 inflation starts, you will be able to see it that the pump is working on zone 3. It comes along with a handle so that you can easily use and keep it wherever you want and carry it along. It deflates automatically, so you need not do anything. Now after the completion of this cycle, we are switching it off.